Dispenser issue. Detergent remained. Add the proper amount of detergent to the dispenser. Refer to the owner's manual for detailed information. Too short of a washing time compared to the quantity of detergent may cause insufficient dissolving of the detergent. Do not obstruct the rotation of the spray arms. When using some dishwasher detergent tablets, they may become stuck in the dispenser due to their excessive size. Tablets can be placed directly into the washer tub next to the filter before starting the cycle. Detergent lid not closing. The cover may not be closing due to small particles of food, or the detergent dispenser may be clogged. Clean the surrounding area of the detergent dispenser. To avoid damaging the dispenser and the dishwasher, do not pull up on the dispenser to close the dishwasher door.